guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll simply guide you how you can change brightness in your Samsung TV. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is easily go to settings and then click on the settings right here. Then you're gonna have the picture here, and you're gonna have the picture size, picture mode, and expert settings. And here you're gonna simply choose an brightness, and you can edit that. And that's pretty much it how you're gonna do it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and I'm really happy to help and provide some guidance and support. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.